This tutorial will cover the difference in application between service and ultimate loads and how to handle these differences with STAAD Foundation Advanced. The following information in the calculation sheet is taken from an example file which will be created throughout the tutorial. Foundation design has two distinct steps, namely service design and ultimate design. Service design is the step where foundation plan dimensions, like length and width, are checked or calculated. Ultimate design is the step where foundation thickness and reinforcement are calculated. For each of these two steps, two different sets of load combinations are used. For service design, service load combinations are used, and for ultimate design, ultimate load combinations are used. Soil bearing capacity factors are a load case dependent factor which will be applied on the given bearing capacity under design parameters. It allows the user to control the allowable bearing capacity for different load combinations. Codes often allow increasing soil bearing capacity for load combinations involving temporary load cases, such as wind or seismic. Here's an example to demonstrate this concept. I've created three primary load cases, a dead load, a live load, and a wind load, and have assigned each of their loads. The next step is to manually create service and ultimate load combinations, or generate them according to code. For US code, please refer to sections 2.3 and 2.4 in ASCE 705 for ultimate and service load combination specifications, respectively. I will generate service and ultimate load combinations. As a reference, generated load combination numbers beginning with 1 are service, and those beginning with 2 are ultimate. Let's say we wanted to increase the soil bearing capacity by 33% for all load combinations involving wind loads. First, find out which load combinations have wind loads. In this case, it is load combinations 102 through 106 and 205 through 208. Then go to the Soil Bearing Capacities Factors table under Soil Properties and change the soil bearing capacity from 1 to 1.33 for the load combinations with wind loads. The values in this table can also be copied into Excel and then pasted back in this table for easier editing. The dead weight factor for the loads can also be adjusted using the modified dead weight factor table. Remember, self-weight is automatically included unless it's a mat job. Thank you for watching this tutorial.